or make new threads on a piece of aluminum or stainless steel or steel, whatever it is that you need to do, first of all, we're gonna grab a tap and drill bit set. This one is a 1/4 inch by 20. The drill bit's already installed, and this is the tap. It comes as a set, so you know whatever size you need for the bolt or whatever that you're using is the size that you're gonna need to get. What we did, we had this little punch. We'll grab it, already made a punch on the metal, so it just helps guide the drill bit. We also use Tap Magic. You guys can see this. Tap Magic, it's cutting fluid. So we're gonna put a little bit of cutting fluid on the little hole that we just punched down there with the punch, and we're gonna drill through it. Make sure it's nicely centered, and you start tapping this bad boy. After every 2 to 3 turns, back it up a little bit, just so that the pieces that it's cutting have somewhere to go. Then just like that, grab your bolt, and you have just made some threads on it. Re-threaded. Boom. That's simple, guys. Anybody can do it. Get your project back on the road. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed one. Peace.